Officer Matthew Knutson, a 13-year veteran with the Greenbay Police Department, is facing a felony misconduct in office charge after apparently lying about running down a suspect with his squad car. Knutson also faces a misdemeanor count of negligent operation of a vehicle. The charges stem from a chase in November of 2021. But as we first reported yesterday, allegations of misconduct against Knutson weren't reported until nearly a year later. District Attorney David Lassay filed charges against Knutson following an independent investigation by the Brown County Sheriff's Office. Fox 11's Emily Matesic is bringing us a closer look.
In his own words to investigators, according to the criminal complaint filed against him, Greenbay police officer Matthew Knutson said, quote, "In hindsight, I should have stopped the vehicle right there and got out and gone after him." The him is a then 47-year-old Greenbay man who was seen in this dash cam video.
Get on the ground!
Being hit by Officer Knutson's squad, ending a foot chase on the city's east side. Prior to the man's arrest, body cam and dash cam footage show the man not only running from Knutson,
get back in the car,
but also another officer.
Stop! Get on the ground!
After Knutson tried to stop the man for a traffic violation, in his initial report of the incident and included in the criminal complaint, Knutson said the suspect was, quote, "cutting directly in front of me and causing me to make contact with the rear of his right leg on the front left corner of my squad." But in reviewing the dash cam video, investigators determined they had, quote, "concerns about Knutson's conduct and the veracity of the police report produced by Knutson." Those concerns stem from Knutson's own words or lack thereof. According to the criminal complaint, in his initial use of force report about the incident, Knutson made no mention of hitting the suspect, yet the dash cam video shows the suspect was hit. Knutson gets out of his squad and pushes the man to the ground, placing him under arrest. In his report, Knutson also said the suspect's complaints about a leg injury were due to his age and running away from police, but the video didn't back up that claim. While Green Bay Police Chief Chris Davis said Knutson is innocent until proven guilty, he wants the public to know the actions of one officer don't speak for the entire department.
When incidents like this happen, that's not, however this ends up, in this case, that's not a reflection on that day in and day out really good work that our members do.
Through the department, Officer Knutson and his family have asked for privacy. The police department's union attorney declined our request for comment. Randy Schultz, who spent 35 years in law enforcement and decades as a law enforcement training officer, is concerned to hear of these charges. He believes they set a bad precedent in a situation where an officer may have used untrained technique that is possibly justified by circumstance.
As a citizen and a prior law enforcement officer saying, are we going to make this to the point where we can't get anybody to do this job? Because in an instant of their decision, the next thing they know, they're up against felony charges. That concerns me.